Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you can see, I will rebuild the Supra. I already cleaned it, so it's alright. I bought it at an auction. It was quite cheap. So yeah, as you can see, it's not in a very good shape. So let's get started with the body disassembly, and then I can move to buying everything for it, and yes, I can just build it back up. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so now all the body parts are disassembled and the interior also. What I need to do now is buy everything, and then I can drain the fluids, drain the engine oil, and like start disassembling the whole car from the engine bay. And then, yeah, okay, let's just get into it. Alright, so I have everything now. I bought everything. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna lift the car up, drain the oil, and I can put this away. Let's just disassemble the drive shaft real quick so I can take out the engine. Alright, now I can lower the car back down. I can get the engine crane, and the engine can come out in a second. Let me just empty everything, drain everything. Okay, I think everything is drained. Now I can just take apart the whole... No, I said I want to take it apart. Yes. I don't think I can get that. Yeah, it's only from the bottom. Okay. Want to save the battery. Don't want to buy another one for no reason, basically, because I can just put this on the charge. And fuse box is also almost done. Cool. And now I can remove the engine. Okay, engine is removed. I think I can now lift the car back up and start disassembling the suspension. Okay, let's start, of course, with the front. Also, if you guys like the video, hopefully you will like it. Consider subscribing and liking the video. I very much hope you do. That's the only thing that you can support me with, basically. It means a lot to me, but it's just a small click for you. So yeah, hopefully I will see you in my community, and you will watch my videos. You will like them, hopefully. I mean, I'm doing these videos for you to like them, so if you have any ideas how I could make this better, just tell me, don't hesitate. Just tell me in the comments. How would you make it more interesting, maybe, if it's not interesting enough, or what would you like to see from me in these kind of videos? Okay, let's get to the back now. Also, I don't know why, but I have two videos that got really good views and like all in all statistics, and that's why I don't know what I'm doing wrong with the others, because I'm not getting that much views anymore that I got before. I'm trying new things every single time, basically. Like I tried the road to 1 million, which doesn't really get enough views. Or then I kinda stopped making the quick builds, the only music ones, because you guys didn't really like those. And then I started making these ones where I actually narrate and talk. So to be honest, I don't know what to do now, because now these are not getting enough views, and of course I like doing these kind of videos. I'm not gonna say I don't enjoy them. The only problem is that as I said, I have a lot of things to do also in real life, and this is just basically just a hobby, not a hobby, a chill part of my life, and I just start this game up, and then I work on some cars and do the videos. But when there's a deadline, and I work a lot on these videos, basically the editing and the recording also, and then I don't get enough views, or at least like I get like 2 likes, then it is kind of discouraging. But I try to keep continuing the recordings, the editing and stuff. It's just a bit yeah, it's just a bit bad. That I thought that I'm not saying that I want to get millions of views. I'm just saying that it would be good to at least get a few hundred. And also subscriber wise, I would like to get to 100 subscribers this year. That would be just phenomenal if I could achieve that this year. Alright, now enough of talking. I am done. As you can see, I'm done with the disassembling, and the car is also welded up. It looks great now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna sell everything that I took off the car. So get the battery, and then I can fix the body panels also that I had, and then buy the new body panels. So we can start assembling the car. Alright, I will see you in a bit. Alright, so car is lifted up, and I think we have everything for it to build it up. So yeah, let's just start with that. Let's start with the front, of course. It's actually really good. It's a really good feeling to see that there is a basically a junk, and then you make it a good-looking car. It's quite a shame that you can't really try the car in either a multiplayer lobby or something like that. I would be really down for that. If Car Mechanic Simulator would have a multiplayer, that would be really good. Of course, I'm not saying that the modded cars should be part of those, but you know, at least some other cars that are in the game, the DLC cars, should be a part of them. You know, show off your freshly made cars to your friends, or maybe even build a car with your friends. That would be even better. I mean, that's why I'm so that's why I really want to build cars in real life, so I can do them on my own, and then, you know, it's just way better when you're building your own. Right now I'm actually looking for a W124 Mercedes. That would be a really good build, to be honest, with a bigger engine in it maybe. So yeah, I already found a few. So yeah, if I can get that, I would be happy to videotape everything, and then just also upload them to YouTube. What I'm doing in real life, because that would be really good. Hopefully you guys would like that a bit more. Since it's not a game, probably I'm going on that kind of theory that you would like those kind of videos more than, of course, a game. But yeah, only problem with that I would need quite a bit of time for one video, because as you know, when I know the problems or what I need to change, then I would need to get that part, and then you know, those kind of waitings for the part to arrive and stuff, to put it in, test it, and see if it works, or if it's not working, then fix it. Then these kind of parts would take a bit of time, but yeah, I reckon maybe 1 or 2 videos a week would be good. But yeah, I hopefully I could go that way with these kind of videos. And to be honest, at the start I made this YouTube channel so I could do these kind of videos, the Car Mechanic Simulator videos, and then when I would have the money and some viewers already, I could start building cars in real life also, and then just show you guys how to do a few of them, and also just show you how, not without a knowledge, but with a small knowledge, what you can do with cars. The car is done, the suspension. Let me go ahead and build the engine. Okay, let's start with the engine now. I'm gonna speed this process up because this is just, it's gonna be a lot. side of the bottom side of the engine is done. Also, if you are still here and made it through my dumb talking through this point, I am happy that I have you here. So yeah, I know I can be awkward sometimes. I know that I could talk about something else also. I'm just still a bit not frustrated, but I'm struggling to find the word. So I feel a bit shy still and awkward talking about stuff still. I just I'm just still new to this kind of stuff. But I very much thank you that you are still here, supporting me with your view. So yeah, thank you again. And hopefully you will enjoy the video until the end. And yeah, just don't forget to watch till the end, because I started making a little showcase of the car after it's done. So yeah, just don't forget to watch that also. I think it looks cool. I'm not saying it's a professional work, but I did it as professional as I could. So yeah, hopefully you will enjoy that. I think the engine is done now. It seems like it's done. Okay, let's take it off the stand and put it in the car. Alright, so engine is in the car. We don't need this the crane anymore. Let's just start building back the engine bay together, and then I can do the finishing touches. Alright, engine bay is done. Let's put the car in there. Also, I don't know if you guys also saw it, but what I realized while I was filling the car up is that for some reason it doesn't have an air filter. Yeah, that was just weird. I thought that I messed up something, but apparently no, because it actually doesn't have one. So yeah, that is indeed weird. Okay, exhaust system and drivetrain is also on now. Can lower you back down and put on the wheels. I hope you guys will like the wheels. I think they look good on this car. Yeah, they are a bit big, but hopefully it's not gonna be that bad when I'm gonna put it on the floor. It looks very good. When I'm gonna put the body on, it's gonna look even better. Alright, so now we are at the paint shop, where I can also assemble the body. So let me just do that real quick, and then we can paint the car. I was going with this kind of bumper because I think it looks very good. I don't have that part, so I will need to buy that real quick in a second. Let me just put... I think I have the left one though. I could save some body parts, but not all of them. Yeah, I went with the new side skirts. I think they look very good. Yeah, also I was going with the subtle wing and the bumper. I don't like the one that is like cut the whole way through and then it's just a big wing. I think I like this kind of look. And then the last part. Now we got the right wing also. Okay, the car is fully assembled now. I can paint it and then put in the interior. Let's just do that real quick. Alright, this wasn't easy. To be honest, I didn't know what to do. So I was trying to go with the Need for Speed Most Wanted Supra, the Ronnie's Supra, the yellow one. I know that yellow is a glossy yellow, but I like the metallic yellow a bit more. So I think it looks very good. I think the color fits, the wheels fit. Also, let me put the interior in, and then you will see that I think the whole car is kind of cool together with this with this color. Alright, so here we are. Here's the car. It looks even better in the sunshine. Now I'm starting to actually like the color very much with this the whole car, the wheels, the color, the interior. It looks very good. So yeah, I don't want to talk more. Let's just let's first do the wheel alignment and the headlight alignment, and then let's go to the dyno, see what she makes. Okay, so the car is at the dyno. Let me see how much it makes. Okay, so it makes 101 horsepower from the factory. Hopefully, I'm not gonna make more than 1000 because then it's gonna be undrivable. But yeah, let's just see what she makes. Let's see. I hope around 800 maximum. Yeah, okay, I was hoping that it's not gonna do more than 1000. It's 1006. I know it's gonna be undrivable on the track, so I'm not even gonna waste the time with that. So I'm just gonna go to the drag strip, and then we can see what she's gonna make there. So yeah, meet you guys at the drag strip. But before, I decided to show you guys the engine, how it looks right now. So this is how the engine looks. Let me show you the trunk. It's for some reason the Supra actually has a kind of a big trunk. And of course the interior. So yeah, this is how she looks. It looks absolutely beautiful in my opinion though. Alright, let me start it up for you. Sound is kinda close. But alright, let's meet you guys at the drag strip. Alright guys, so we are at the drag strip. Yeah, let's see what she makes, and yeah, we'll see. Oh my god, it's still flipping. Okay, so we built a really cool car. It looks awesome. I like this color a lot. Like the interior, like the everything, the wheels also like the acceleration, the drag strip. It would be a good drag car, I think. Not a track car, because on track it would just slip everywhere, but it looks awesome. It drives awesome on the drag strip. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this. If you actually enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. Also drop a like on the video, and drop a comment if you like the car or no, or what else would you do with it, or what would you do in another way. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day, and bye bye.